Morning, good morning, good morning. Friday morning. Oh, man. Friday morning on Snowmageddon. I think they... maybe not. I don't know. I think they got a little excited about how much snow they were going to get. We got about... Turn you guys around and show you here. Got about 2 inches, maybe, here. I'm watching traffic up there on the highway. As of right now, the only route I'm on that's restricted is Route 79. But I'm a 3/4 of a mile, half a mile from West Virginia, and there's no restriction there. So I'm watching these trucks go on the highway here. When I see them go, they look like they're running decent. So my only concern right now is this state route goes into delivery on this one. It's a pretty small state route. It's got a couple really good hills, and that has me a little bit concerned when I get there. But traffic looks like it's moving okay out there on the highway. Although state trooper did just roll through the parking lot, like looking at everybody. I don't know what he was doing, but probably go give this a shot. See what that state route looks like when I get there. I think all the main highways are going to be fine. What that state route looks like when I get there, that'll be the question. So hopefully the next shot you see will be me in the parking lot there, or me heading back in there. I might shoot a little bit of film while I'm driving. Hopefully that's what you see. It's about 8:05 in the morning on Friday. I'm going to get this done, trying to get home. We'll see what happens here. Be right back. What's going on, everybody? Getting ready to unload this thing. Obviously, I made it in here. A little sketchy. We'll talk about that here in a minute. But we're getting ready to unload this thing, and then we're try to get out of here and go get loaded in New Philly. Not snowing too bad. Roads are good in Pennsylvania. I don't know why they're the only ones that got roads shut down. Their roads are better than everybody else's. So here we go. well, this is a hot mess. We love winter. So the whole front of my trailer was covered in road slop that we had to dig off. We're gonna try to drive this thing. We're gonna try to back it up on there, hoping these ramps help. Usually when the steer tires hit the front of my trailer, it stops it. And if it's slippery at all, then there's not enough weight back there to get the truck to come up on. So the idea here, our goal, is to bring this thing, put it on. Hopefully the ramps are gonna help keep it from having that blunt end where it just stops. The whole deck of the trailer is pretty slippery right now, so he's bringing that thing around. Whew, he's bringing that thing around. We're gonna give this a heck of a shot. See what happens here.